how to filter hotels by reviews on booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want the hotels with the best reviews and want to filter it accordingly? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it. You just need to open up any browser, head over to booking.com, and then put in your destination, the dates, and the number of people traveling, and then hit search. Now, you'll need to scroll down to find the filters. So you can see the review score option. So you can see superb 9 plus, very good 8 plus. Now if you want superb reviews on your hotels, you just need to tap on it, and then now you'll get reviews, hotels with the best reviews. And there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.